Yeah, so this is the look right now. I'm wearing a black shirt because everything about this shirt is just irritating. Like the cut, the design, like not done well. Today I'm going to be touching up my roots and probably touching up a few pieces I missed, and then we're gonna be adding more black to these parts. And I feel like I should add more black, but I'm gonna keep it to a minimum because if I want to ever touch her up again. I've already sectioned everything, as you can see, and I've got my bleach right here. I'm using a 20 developer for this because it's got my scalp, but my scalp is also pretty like dark, so I don't know. I just need to section this part now and then I can get started. Oh no, I was doing that like as a joke and then I just like fucking dropped my bleach brush. Okay, this is the section we're starting out with. I know this looks terrible, but I just really need to be able to use the mirror. So this is our setup. I don't know if you can see me in it, but here we go. The door is closed, and I know these fumes are probably gonna get to me, but like my cats can't mind their own business, so it's their world. I'm just living in it. Oh my god, I didn't realize how hard this would be. I don't know if you guys can actually even see what I'm doing, but honestly, it doesn't matter to me. Actually, I can move you. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, there, can you see now? Yeah, you can definitely see. You're welcome. My birthday's in like 2 or 3 days. 2 days. I'm gonna apply to Spencer's and see if they'll hire me. Please hire me. The place I applied, they're like, do you like our products? Fuck no, I don't like your products. Like, do you like the products? This is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be so easy, but like, looking in a mirror, hard as fuck. I thought that was a clump of hair that fell out. I was like, from the front. We can do the next side. Finally, we don't have to use a mirror now. Okay, so we got all this done within 30 minutes. I think that's pretty good timing if you ask me, because I have a lot of hair. It's very dense. I don't know how long I'm gonna sit with this on. I'm just going to keep checking it, but I know it'll be at least 30 minutes. I want to make sure it's light enough for me to do the shit I need to do with it. So I guess when I come back, we will be dyeing black and then putting our toner on, and then it'll be completed. Okay, so just a little change of plans. 20 volume was not enough, like I thought it would be, but I guess my natural hair is just really dark. So we're going to do the black today, right now, and then tomorrow I'm going to go over my roots again. And yeah, I just didn't want to process them for too long this time, because I let it sit for like an hour actually. I just don't want to go any longer than that. I'm using a black dye with Tint Developer. I'm probably gonna let it sit on my hair for 20 minutes. I think that'll be good. I don't know if what I just mixed was 1 to 2 or not. Okay, this might be a little hard. Okay, let's try. Ow, fuck, ow. Okay, let's try this first. I mean, I don't think we were. I already got it on my finger. Oh no. I hope to God this isn't a blue black. I'll like, oh my God, no. Oh my God. It looks blue. Okay, now we just have to do the back. This looks so blue, but look, black nowhere, 1 in. Does the 2-0 mean something? Gonna set this on for 20 minutes. Okay, so I did not re-bleach my roots. I just let them be. I'm gonna re-bleach them at another time. I went ahead and toned my hair for whatever reason. And yeah, this is like the final look. I didn't do anything to my hair, so it looks kind of crazy right now because I just washed it and then I went to sleep. I wish I could show you like better looking hair, but like I'm lazy as fuck. I just want to get this video out. So yeah, thank you for watching if you watched this far.